Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making Aloo Matar. This is an absolutely pure vegetarian recipe. There's no onion and there's no garlic in this as well. So first things first, oil in the pan. So now the oil has heated and I'm going to add some jeera, red chili powder and ginger. And I'm just going to shallow fry this for some time. To this I'm going to add boiled potato, which I'm just going to crush. I'm just going to stir fry the aloo. Stir fry the potato so the masala just coats it nicely. So what we're doing here is we're not really cooking the potato since it's already boiled. We're just browning it a little bit and making sure that the masala has coated it properly so that it's nice and flavorful. It's a very basic and simple and easy plain recipe because most people associate Indian food with a lot of heavy spices and a little difficult to digest, but not if it's made like this. Simple and it's healthy. Now I'm going to add boiled peas to this. So the peas I'm using are actually out of a bag. Fresh peas don't need to be boiled, these ones are boiled. You don't really have to boil the peas, you just have to toss them in. And this is the season for peas, so make the best of it. Now I'm just going to let this brown. That's really good. It's important to taste your food while you make it, yeah? How do you know what is less, what is more, how much salt to add? Most home cooks I know don't even taste their food for salt. Now this is the last leg for this particular recipe. I've increased the heat and I'm now just going to, how we say it, bhuno this masala. बस इसको भूनना है और कुछ भी नहीं, nothing else, that's it. Char it, make sure it turns golden brown. So back at home, this is done in a kadai and on a gas, but we are using induction and a non-stick pan. So it's going to take a little more time because once the kadai is hot, it's really easy to fry masalas and potatoes and anything in general. So this crust that is forming is what you need on your potatoes. This brown, golden brown charredness is what you need. And now I'm going to add my final ingredient, which is salt. The potatoes look really good. They are charred beautifully. Now for the final bit, what I'm going to do is first things, I'm going to slice up a lime. My plate here. Last but not the least, garnish it with some fresh coriander. And there you have it guys, Aloo Matar taiyar hai. Guys, I want you to try these recipes and when you do, put that down in the comment section and tell me how you made it and was it good, did you like it, did your family enjoy it, stuff like that. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites. I will see you in another episode with another recipe. Till then, take care everyone and be good.